What's up, guys? PJ here.
Big Nine, Young Heretic.
Alright, guys, today we are going to give a crack at building some terrain. Uh, yeah. This will be interesting. So, first things first, I don't have a hot wire cutter, so we're going to have to come up with another way to cut this. That's good. Alright. Well, now that we blew some foam chunks into smithereens here, we are going to select our pieces and we're going to start gluing them together. So time lapse. Alright, now that we have our pieces all dry here, we are going to start carving them. So, another time lapse. Alright, now that we got these all cut into some sort of shape of rockiness, mountaininess, structureness, whatever you want to call it. Now we're just going to take some Vallejo earth texture and we're going to brush that into all the cracks and everything and see if we could get that to work as a nice little sealant. Alright, well, let's get started. Alright, and now that these are dry, we are going to take these outside and prime them. Let's do it. Alright, now that we got these guys primed up, let's get painted. I don't know what happened to my voice there, but yeah. Sorry? Alright, so we're going to start with a dark brown earth tone first. And that's basically going to be our base coat. On everything. Let's get it. Let's finish these bad boys up. Time lapse, of course. Ah. Time to dry brush. Time lapse. What did you think? Now we got the fun part. We're just going to go in and add the details. Yeah. Next, we have this little divot that I did here, and I want to make that like a waterfall. I don't really have the appropriate stuff to do that. but I do have Vallejo water texture. So we're just gonna mash it in there. See what happens. Alright, let's do that. Next is adding some blue bushes, because we don't have enough blue there. I promise that dries darker. Alright, let's get into it. And now everything's done and it's ready to go. So let's get those final shots and see how it looks. So everything's looking pretty great. I love how it came out. The blue definitely became darker as it dried. But yeah, it's looking really good. It's ready for the table. We're definitely going to be adding some more terrain to this. So I hope you guys enjoyed my goofy attempt here, piecing together some terrain. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, till next time, guys. Stay heretical, heretics.